I'm switching classrooms and I figured I might as well share something that I just learned, because these cabinets can be impossible. And I wanted to make it so that I can have my little egg crates here instead of the weird default shelf spaces, which never make any sense. So the first part was obviously popping off the shelves. The way that you do this is you just hit them from the bottom basically so that they lift up out of these little slots, or I'm not sure what to call them. But after that, then you have a problem, because then you're like, okay, I've got it off. Now I want to put it where I want it. But as I try to slide it down, it gets caught on every single one of those tabs. So here's the stupid easy way to do this. Basically, you know, you figure out, okay, how tall is the thing that I want, or where do I want the shelves, etc. Then you need to bend open the tabs that you want. So for instance, I counted up 6, and then I opened up this tab, and I did the same over there. Now, if you do that with your fingers, you could do that, but it might hurt. So I just was like trying to MacGyver it, and I used the nozzle of a Germex sanitizer thingy container to kind of get in the corner and then pull it out. So yeah, that's really dumb, and people probably already know this, but if I help one person, that would be great. So there's your tip of the day.